wanted it, America, and you got it. The hottest over-the-road cooking show on YouTube.
Semi-living, cooking on down the line. Semi-living, saving money and cooking time. Linda Lou's got the looks, while Paul he eats the cuss. Right to the belly where true romance starts. Hey, we'll squeeze the buffalo till he farts. Semi-living,
It's the tastiest show on the internet.
semi-living,
Linda Lou and Paul.
semi-living, semi-living.
Where's the bacon?
Hi y'all, truck driver Linda.
Truck driver Paul sitting up front in his usual spot.
Y'all put away all your utensils and your 12-volt cookers, and we're not cooking today. We're in the home stretch. So we're actually going to be home around the time this is posted, or not long after it's posted. So Monday's video is up in the air. Not sure that we'll get one for Monday. I just want to point this out for a second. So I just covered our mattress with it, but this has been my winter project. I've been working on this all winter, and it's almost done.
I love it.
Thank you, honey. It's almost done, not quite. I figured it'll be done in time for spring when we can lighten up some of the load and get rid of some of the heavy blankets and go to a lighter blanket. So if we're not cooking today, and y'all are done with me showing you off my beautiful little blanket, what are we doing? Well, Traveling Gypsy has thrown out a Nomad challenge. What's in your fridge? Being as we're nomads, even if we are in a truck, we're still nomads, right, Paul?
Yes.
Nomads?
I'm not mad at all.
We've accepted her challenge, and we're going to show you what's in our fridge. It's not overpacked for a change. So the challenge actually came at a time where I don't have to be like, oh, I got a hoarder fridge, you know. So, okay, so let's show you what's in our fridge. All right, here we go. This is going to be fun because I'm going to be holding the camera while I'm in the fridge. Okay, I guess we'll start with the door. So, some leftover tomato paste. I did spaghetti and meatballs the other night, and I make my own sauce. So that's left over from that. And this is jalapenos. And this is ginger. Just a ginger root. And this is horseradish. Paul has really, really bad sinuses. He's had more than one surgery. And he takes horseradish to keep them unclogged. He takes it pretty much daily. And then lime juice. And I like that because the limes, I don't use it enough to keep limes. They usually go bad. And then our probiotic, we have almond milk. Paul has, he's on medication for high cholesterol. We try to cut back as much as possible on anything that has the cholesterol. So almond milk, beef broth, and Paul's non-dairy pumpkin spice creamer, which he has different flavors when he goes to the store. He just picks whatever. I personally prefer just plain half and half. This one is almost empty. So then this is my new one. The bottom shelf. This is veggies already cut up. And we'll just pull these out and munch on them. I usually keep a bunch cut up. And our salad dressings are over here. So salad dressing for Paul. Stone ground mustard. Olive oil mayo. And pure maple syrup. Yum. And then this is some spinach that I've chopped. And I've added like celery leaves and carrots to it. That's that. Some purple and white onion. Cucumber. Part of one. So this, I got this hoping like maybe for the lunchbox. It's a silicone loaf pan, but it doesn't work good. So I use it for veggies now. So radishes and some lemons and tomatoes, some Roma tomatoes, more spinach, some ranch dressing from I don't know, something that I got had that with it. And carrots in there. So that's the bottom shelf. The top shelf is cheese, mostly. So Parmesan, Mexican, taco. We do eat a lot of Southwest, so we have a lot of cheese for that. Some sour cream. My dressing, I'm a ranch person. I put ranch on everything. So that it's tall for the bottom shelf. But this fridge, it's really kind of nice because that pops up for the taller stuff. But I don't usually use it because then it just takes up more space than if I just lay that down. 1 egg out of 6. And it's more expensive to buy 6 eggs. But for the truck, they're easier to store. Plus, we don't use a lot of eggs because of Paul's cholesterol again. So, it's just more feasible for us to do that. And then we have egg beaters here. Our margarine is here, which is the Promise. Or the Smart Balance. So then, like this, I'll put this up like that. So that if it doesn't leak out the edges of this. I actually have a very frosty freezer, which we know it's time to go home when the freezer is all frosted up. We have to turn it completely off, and then it takes about 3 days for this to defrost. In here right now, it's low. It's bison. It's definitely been a bison kind of month. Is some bison and some chopped ham. That's it. And this comes built into the truck. I don't know the fridge model. Here, that's it right there. That's the fridge model, I guess, if anybody's wondering. So that's our Nomad challenge. What's in your fridge? Traveling Gypsy. It was a really fun challenge. I really enjoyed it. Like, Traveling Gypsy's challenge will be in the descriptions to take you if you wanted to go see her video. Oh my gosh, her little fridge is, it's awesome. I love her, I'm not going to tell you because if you want to know, you got to go see it, but it's cute. I could do it. I wish I thought of what she's done. If you do this challenge, and you let us know either in our comments or Traveling Gypsy's comments, then I will post a link to your video in our descriptions. That's all we got for today.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.